Oh my god. Harold Switch. How dare you make bad posts out of Caitlyn Densby and Pillow? That's it, PBS 9944 Loudwall making a grounded video out of you. Start the video, Mr. Cameraman.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Yay! I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no. It's the principal.
Harold Switch. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're suspended for 10 days. Go home now while I call your parents.
No.
Harold Switch. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 10 days. That's it, you're grounded until your suspended time is over. Go upstairs to your room right now. Or else you will get sent to Singapore.
Wow.
And if you stop crying like the motor car, Carlos will give you a belt beating and you will get sent to Singapore. Man. Harold Switch such a dumb troublemaker.
Game over.